right now we're hosting our 4th annual Ticket to the Trades. It's a partnership between the municipality and the Thames Valley District School Board. We have all of our feeder schools coming to take a tour of our facility, and also over at the community center as well too, where we have a bunch, around 30 interactive displays where students are learning about the trades and also a variety of other sectors as well too.
I think it's a good opportunity for students to explore the different careers that they might not know about.
Something I'm looking forward for today is probably just seeing our community come together as one. I think that's a very important one, especially coming from like a rural, small area.
Events today are good opportunities for students. It helps out everybody with just getting to know the local businesses and where you can go in your future.
I think the impact is that this is really an opportunity to celebrate the skilled trades. This is a chance to showcase and to highlight some of the amazing opportunities that are there and how students can give back to the community by getting into a very rewarding career in the skilled trades.